Guys, let us start this object. Say in this object, circle is given and having its diameter 60 mm and the middle line is dark one, and here it is rather than top view, right hand side view is given, and width of this side view 15 plus 15. So uh, L shape is given, mirror of L is given 15 15, and total width will be it is 30. Okay, so length it is 60, height will be again 60, and width is 15 plus 15 30. So origin is given here, so origin 60 mm is given, right side of this origin. So this is the origin. I have taken already 30-degree angle, 30-degree angle. So right side of this origin it is 60, so we'll take 60. So 60 will be here, then 30 will be this side opposite to this 60, so 30 will be here. Okay, so 60 is here and your observer is here. So parallel to again this point I will project all the points. Okay. So parallel to this, 1 minute, parallel to this I have projected, we should project this point, again parallel to this we should project the point. The next, again parallel to this length project point, because this, okay, sorry, height is also 60 is given. Okay, it's already 60, so we should project the 60 mm height. So this will be the 60. Okay, again parallel to this width, project the point, again same, project from point from this width, again parallel to this, project the point. Okay, so this will be again rhombus. On this rhombus we have to draw this circle. Okay, now we'll take 50% distance. Now the height is 60, so it will be 30 mm is here, so again it is 60, 30 mm is here, and again this will be the 60, so 30 will be here. So we are projecting these points. Okay, okay, so we draw the points. For understanding purpose, just I am giving the names. Suppose this is O, A, B, C, and this is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so just we will join the short A and C as a shorter diagonal, O B as a longer diagonal. So in front of shorter diagonal, suppose in front of this A point there is a 4 1 and 3. Okay, in front of this C point there is a 2 point, and C is a shorter diagonal point, so in front of shorter diagonal there is a 2 and 1. Okay, so with the help of compass we'll draw the circle, but in this front view, so below there is a semicircle, above semicircle, inside you there is a L shape. So this half circle, this half means semicircle, it is front, and back side this will be the half. So we'll bottom surface only we'll draw the dark one, upper surface we cannot draw because it is behind 15 mm, it is behind. So only C2 or C1 we are taking as a radius, C2 or C1 as a radius, and we draw the circle. Then this line and 4A line, C1 4A, whenever intersect, take that as a center point and draw the arc. So this will be again arc. See, for understanding purpose, suppose I am giving name as a X. Okay, upper portion, this circle will be behind 15 mm, which is back side. We are observing in side view. In front view we are just observing the circle, semicircle, but when we are observing in the side view, so it will be behind 15 mm. So every point we should project it behind 15 mm. So we'll take 15 mm. This 4 dash will be 4 will be here 4 dash. So rather than 15 mm, I am projecting all up to 30. We'll think about afterwards. This also. Okay. So this 4 point I am taking 15 mm behind 15 mm. So that will be here. So that will be again we can see it is a 4 dash. C again it should be 15 mm here. So it will be C dash. 3 will be again 15 mm behind. So it will be 3 dash. B 15 mm behind. So it will be B dash. Then we'll project this X point behind or parallel to this width. Parallel to width it is again 15 mm behind. So it is 15 mm behind. That will be the X dash. And suppose this is the Y dash. Y and Y should be here. So Y dash. Then okay, just that one point is remain, that is A. So project it. So A dash will be here. Now same distance we have to take A. Whenever we are drawing this bottom side circle, so we are taking C1 as a radius. This C1 as a radius and draw the arc. Similar to that, so we should take A4 as a radius. So rather than A4, we projected behind that. So A dash and 4 dash as a radius, and we should draw the arc. Or A3 dash, sorry, A dash 3 dash, or it is similar. A3 is similar to A dash 3 dash. We should draw the arc. Okay. Then X, when we are drawing this arc, so we are taking the reference of X4 or X1. Similar to that, we have to take reference of this Y3 or Y2. So again same, it should be Y dash 3 dash and draw the arc up to this. Now where it should be, so before that we join the 4 dash. Again we should draw this one as a dark, because it is in front view there is a dark line. So 4 is dark. Again parallel to this we should draw the line. So up to here it is dark. So extension portion should be removed. Then parallel to this we should draw the line. Here it is. Okay. So it will be like this. Now again behind there is a circle. So upper portion again it is similar. Okay. So behind that again semicircle. So we should project again 15 mm behind. So this 4 point will be 4 dash. Again we are projecting this 4 point behind. It is 4 double dash. C will be C dash. Again here it is C double dash. 3 will be 3 double dash. Then this X dash should project again behind 15 mm. So here it is. So it will be X double dash. Again this A point again project behind that. So it will be A double dash. Y should be again 15 mm behind. So Y double dash. Okay. And okay. Okay, this one is required. If any points it is required, then we will project it. Now we take again same 4A and A dash 4 dash we are drawn like that. Similar to that, A double dash 4 double dash same will be there. So take this as a radius, draw the arc. Okay, here it is. Similar to now, how this we drawn the circle. So with the help of Y3, this has a radius, and with the help of Y dash we drawn this arc. Same again, Y double dash 3 dash, take this distance compass, Y double dash 3 dash and draw the arc. It should be 50% drawn dark, remaining it should be faint or don't draw. Okay, why it is? Because at the end there should be the tangent. so I am drawing the tangent. Okay, now bottom surface is remaining, this one. Okay, so how to draw? So whenever we are drawing this, so this x4, so x double dash 4 dash, this should be the distance, and draw arc. Okay, rather than drawing the completing, draw 50% and remaining portion, so draw the tangent, so that will be here. Okay, so this is the answer, but one thing I took wrong. So the question should be, so this is the front view and your side view will be here. So I have correctly drawn. So this is 15, this is 15, and this is your left hand side view. Okay, so here will be the complete answer. So only dimension is remaining, so we'll give the dimensions. So this is 30 and this will be the 60. Not necessary to give the height. Okay, so it will be the complete.